What's up, guys? It's your boy Matthew back with another video. If you guys are new here, please like, subscribe, turn on post notifications so everyone knows. Okay, guys, I'm at a car show, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the cars. Here comes a nice car. And another nice car. That's a nice car. Here comes another car rolling up. I'll pick up the camera right when it gets closer. Okay, guys, here comes the car. Here comes another car. Oh, there are people in the background. Here comes another car. And another car. That's a... Here comes another car. Here comes another car then. This looks like a Fox body or something. Oh, it's a Mustang Cobra. Here comes a Corvette. I'll move up closer so you guys can see them when they roll in. Here comes another car. Here comes another car. Hold on. I'll keep filming because here comes another car. Here comes another car right here. That's a nice car. Oh, here comes another car again. What the heck? This could be part number 2 of today's video. I'm gonna show you the other cars. Here's a Dodge Challenger. Here comes another car. Here's a Corvette. Here's another Corvette. That looks like a... This one's a 1966 Chevy Corvette. Here's a truck. Here's another truck.
This is my wife, Nikki.
What kind of truck is it?
It's a 1939 Chevy pickup rat rod.
That's nice.
Yeah, I can't get them out much.
This is part number 3. Here's a truck. That's a truck. Oh, here's a Dodge. No, it's a Pontiac GTO. Here's another car. This one's a Mercury. Here's another car. This is a Ford. This is a Chevy. This is a Corvette. Here's another car. This one is a Ford Galaxy. This one is another car. A Ford A-Coupe. Here's another car, a Ford Model T. Here's another car. This one's a 1967 Camaro RS Chevy. What year is it?
67.
This one's a 67 Chevy Camaro. This one's a 1990 Chevy truck. This one is a 1970 Chevy Chevelle. This one is a 1955 Chevy Bel Air. Okay, $2,000 for this one, $10 for this one. I just got the okay. $2,000 for this Bel Air, $10 for the
68 Camaro.
68 Camaro. $15 for this one.
There you go.
Right?
See, I told you, Bobby, I help you out. I'm on your side, buddy.
How much for your car?
At least a good 20.
A good 20 for
Yeah, because it's
the
newer. It's just
Chevy
newer.
Corvette.
Yeah.
Yeah, at least,
Cheap at any price.
yes, I agree. Cheap at any price. I'll pick up the video right after this. I'm back. Here's the Gremlin guys. Here's the truck. Here is a Chevy Bel Air, 1957. And here is a T-Bird. Here is a Ford Roadster. Here is a Ford sedan. Here is a Mustang Cobra. Here is another car. What year is it?
66.
This is a 1966.
Mustang.
This is a 1966 Mustang. I like it.